Okay guys, today I just wanted to give you a quick tip on growing hibiscus. Hibiscus can be grown in the ground or in a pot. So if you're looking for, a nice potted plant on the porch or out by the driveway or near the house, you can definitely grow this plant in pots and it does well. And especially if you're concerned about the massive roots up next to your house or something of that nature, you can definitely pot these. Also, another thing about hibiscus, they are self-cleaning. So if you guys can see, these buds right here are getting really old and they're just going to kind of fall off like the one that's in here and then just keep reducing. So it'll go from this to this and then it'll just go ahead and fall off on its own. Okay guys, so really, I shouldn't say this is a tip or a trick. I wanted to just inform you guys of something that I noticed. So this particular hibiscus plant, it's a purple hibiscus. I bought it a couple months back and it was probably about, I believe, this tall when I bought it. And I thought for sure that it was not going to grow. It stayed that tall for months. And I kept thinking, oh my goodness, I don't understand. I've had plenty of hibiscus before. Why is it not getting any taller? I think I'm just going to rip this out of here and I'm going to be done with it. But what I noticed is that young plant was just dormant at that time. As soon as the temperatures got higher, it shot up, and as you guys can see, it is producing lots of blooms now. So that's my tip and trick for today. If you are looking at that hibiscus and you're thinking, oh my goodness, it's not going anywhere, it's not getting any higher, just wait it out. Hibiscus, while they survive in a cooler temperature, is not necessarily the optimum weather for them. So just wait it out, keep it watered, and it'll grow. Alright guys, that's my tip and my trick on hibiscus.